The last bit in case of relations and functions, that is a binary operation. Define binary operation. It's appeared in the year annual 2019 in the first main. Let us see the definition. A binary operation star on a set A is a function star from A cross A to A. That's it. We denote star A comma B as A star B. A star B. It is a function star from A cross A to A. That is important. The other way of defining a binary operation, let A be a non-empty set and star be a binary operation on a non-empty set A. Then for all A comma B belongs to the set A, for all A comma B belongs to the set A, then A star B belongs to the set A. By combining any two elements, you get a new element which is again in the same set, and it must be unique. Let us take an example. An operation star defined as A star B is equal to root AB for all A comma B belongs to set of complex numbers. Let me take A as 2 and B as minus 2. Then 2 star minus 2. A star B, 2 star minus 2 equals root of 2 into minus 2. So that is 4 into minus 1. As we know, root of minus 1 is I. In case of real number, we say positive real number, negative real number, or it can be 0, right? Whereas in case of complex number, there is no such positive or negative complex numbers, isn't it? So, root 4 can be written as 2 and root of minus 1 is I. So, you cannot say only 2i, even it is minus 2i also in case of complex numbers. So 2i belongs to complex number, minus 2i also belongs to complex number. A star B belongs to the set A. In spite of that, it is not unique because plus 2i and minus 2i are different. The uniqueness fails. Therefore, star is not a binary operation. We have few important notes. Note number 1. The number of binary operations on a set containing n number of elements is 2 to the power of n square, because 2 power n of A into n of B we write, in general 2 to the power of n into n, 2 to the power of n square number of binary operations. The second note, on the set of natural numbers, whole numbers, z, integers, q, rationals, q dash, irrationals, and the real numbers. Addition is a binary operation. Addition is a binary operation on the set of natural numbers, because you take any two natural number, add any two natural number. For all A comma B belongs to naturals, If you add two natural number, you get one more natural number which is again in the set. That's why on the set of natural number, addition is a binary operation. In case of whole numbers, in case of integers, rationals, irrationals, and real number, so addition is a binary operation. The third note, subtraction is a binary operation on Z. If you take 1 and 2, 1 minus 2 is minus 1, which is again in the set. Or else you take minus 1 minus 5. Subtract minus 1 minus of minus 5 means plus 5. It is 4. It is again in the set Z. So Z is a binary operation. Subtraction is a binary operation on Z. Q, rationals, Q dash, irrationals, and even on the set of real numbers also. The fourth one, Multiplication is a binary operation on the set of natural numbers, because if you multiply any two natural number, you get a new natural number. Okay, again in the set. So W on the set of whole numbers, on the set of integers, rationals, irrationals and real number. You multiply any two real numbers, you get one more new number which is a real number only. Okay. Division is a binary operation on rationals, irrationals and real numbers also. Make sure that real number means except 0, because division by 0 is not possible, you know. For example, if I take 2 star 0, 2 divided by 0 is not defined. So it is not defined. Infinity we say, 2 by 0 is infinity, is not in the set of real numbers. Okay. So if you take natural numbers, subtraction, if I say, it is not a binary operation on the set of natural numbers. In case of subtraction is not a binary operation on the set of naturals, because 1 minus 5, 1 and 5 are natural numbers. 1 minus 5 means minus 4. Minus 4 is not a natural number. That's why natural numbers on subtraction is not a binary operation. Only Z, Q, Q dash and R. Even division is also not a binary operation. Whereas multiplication, division of a natural number, division is not a binary operation on the set of natural number, because 2 and 3 are natural numbers. 2 divided by 3 is 2 by 3, right? 2 by 3 is not a natural number, you know. That's why on the set of division is not a binary operation on the set of naturals, whole numbers and even integers. So binary operation for Q, Q dash and R except 0. Okay. Then laws of binary operation, LAWS, laws of binary operations. First one, closure law. For all A comma B belongs to the set A, then A star B belongs to the set A. Is nothing but a binary operation only. Okay. So commutative law. For all A comma B belongs to the set A, then A star B is equal to B star A. This is what the commutative law says. A star B belongs to A is closure law. Nothing but a binary operation in fact. Associative law. For all A comma B comma C, 3 elements belongs to the non-empty set A, then A star B star C is equal to A star B star C. Read it properly. A star B star C is equal to A star B star C. So this is associative law. Then fourth law, existence of identity. For all an element A belongs to the set A, there exists an identity element E. Identity element E belongs to the same set A. Acts as an identity element such that A star E is equal to A and E star A is equal to A. The fifth law, existence of inverse. For all an element A belongs to the set A, there exists A inverse. Belongs to the set A, acts as inverse element such that A star A inverse equals E and A inverse star A is also E. Next, composition table or Cayley's table. Let S is equal to the set A, B, C be any set, then the composition table is given by the operation is star A, B, C or the elements, topmost row and the column A star A star B, A star C. Again B star A, B star B, B star C. Then C star A, C star B, C star C. This is a Cayley's table or composition table. So let us discuss the problems based on these concepts. The first one, worked example, show that addition, subtraction and multiplication are binary operations. But division is not a binary operation on R. Further show that division is a binary operation on the set of non-zero real numbers. Solution. For all A comma B belongs to the real number, you add any two real number, you get one more new number which is again a real number only. Therefore, addition is a binary operation on the set of reals. Let us take subtraction. For all A comma B belongs to the set of real number, if you subtract any two real number, we get new number which is again a real number only. You take any example. Therefore, subtraction is a binary operation on the set of reals. For all A comma B belongs to a real number, if you multiply any two real number, A into B also belongs to a real number. Therefore, multiplication is also a binary operation on R. But for all A comma B belongs to real number, A divided by B does not belongs to R. You take any two real number. Let us take A as 2 and B as 0. 2 is also real number only because 2 divided by 1. Is it not a real number? 0 is also a real number. So, A is 2, B is 0, which are real numbers. 2 divided by 0 means infinity, not defined, does not belongs to the real number. Therefore, division is not a binary operation. Division is not a binary operation. Not a binary operation on the set of reals. Suppose if I remove that 0 from the set of real number, non-negative real numbers, that is for all A comma B belongs to R naught. R naught means set of real numbers except 0. Then A divided by B belongs to R naught. Therefore, division is a binary operation on the set of non-zero real number. Whereas on the set of real number, division is not a binary operation. Whereas under multiplication, subtraction and addition, it is a binary operation. The second one, worked example, show that subtraction and division are not binary operation on the set of natural numbers. Solution. For all A comma B belongs to natural numbers, then A minus B does not belongs to N. Because let us take A as 2 and B as 7. Whenever A is less than B, it is not true. Say 2 minus 7. 2 minus 7 means minus 5. Does not belongs to natural number. Minus 5 is not a natural number, you know. Therefore, subtraction is not a binary operation on the set of natural numbers. So, the set is important. Suppose if the set n, instead of n, if you take z, it is a binary operation. On the set of integer, A minus B is a binary operation. That is, subtraction is a binary operation on integers, but not on n. Okay, not a binary operation on natural numbers. A comma B belongs to natural numbers, then division A divided by B does not belongs to n. For example, A equals 2, B equals 5, which are natural numbers, but 2 divided by 5 does not belongs to n. Therefore, division is also not a binary operation on the set of natural numbers. The third one, show that the operation star R cross R to R given by A star B is equal to A plus 4 times B square is a binary operation. Solution: for all A comma B belongs to the real number, then A star B is equal to A plus 4 B square, also a real number. You take any example for that matter. Therefore, star is a binary operation on the set of real numbers. Let us take an example. If A equals 2 and B equals 3, then 2 star 3 is equal to 2 plus 4 into 3 square. 9 into 4, 36 plus 2, 38 is also a real number. Question number 4, an exercise problem. Determine whether or not each of the definition of a star given below gives a binary operation. In the event that star is not a binary operation, give justification for that. Number A, under that, number A, on Z plus, define star by A star B equals A minus B. Solution: for all A comma B belongs to Z plus positive integers, then A star B equals A minus B does not belongs to Z plus, because A equals 2, B equals 5. If I select 2 star 5 is equal to 2 minus 5, minus 3, but minus 3 does not belongs to Z plus, Therefore, star is not a binary operation on Z plus. Number B, on Z plus, define star by A star B is equal to AB, A into B. Clearly, for all A comma B belongs to Z plus, then A star B is equal to AB also belongs to Z plus. Therefore, star is a binary operation. Since you take any two positive integers, multiplication of two positive integer is again positive integer only, whereas not subtraction, because minus 3 is belongs to Z but does not belongs to Z plus. Number C, on the set of real numbers, define star by A star B is equal to A B square. Clearly, for all A comma B belongs to real number, then A star B is equal to A B square belongs to R. Therefore, star is a binary operation on R. D, on Z plus, define star by A star B is equal to modulus of A minus B. Solution: given A star B is equal to modulus of A minus B, for all A comma B belongs to Z plus, clearly A star B is equal to modulus of A minus B belongs to Z plus. For example, 2 star 3 means 2 minus 3, minus 1. Modulus of minus 1 means plus 1 only, so belongs to Z plus. So 7 star 5, 7 minus 5 means 2 belongs to Z plus. So whatever the value you take for under Z plus, A star B equals modulus of A minus B belongs to Z plus. Therefore, star is a binary operation on Z plus. E, on Z plus, define star by A star B is equal to A. For all A comma B belongs to Z plus, A star B is equal to A belongs to Z plus. you take any two integers, positive integers. So 2 star 3 means 2. 5 star 7 means 5 belongs to Z plus. Therefore, star is a binary operation on Z plus. F. On real numbers, define star by A star B is equal to A plus 4B square. Solution. No? For all A comma B belongs to the real numbers, A star B is equal to A plus 4B square belongs to real number. Any two real number. So if you combine like this, A plus 4 times B square, B is a real number, square of B is also real number, multiply with 4 again a real number, add it with another real number. So this becomes a real number only, a new real number. Therefore, star is a binary operation on R. Next question. Question number 5, exercise problem. For each of the operations star given below, determine whether star is binary, commutative or associative. A. On Z, define star by A star B is equal to A minus B. They have defined. We are supposed to verify binary operation, commutative and associative property. Let us see. Solution. For all A comma B belongs to Z, then A star B is equal to A minus B. Say for example, 2 star 3 means 2 minus 3. Minus 1 belongs to integer. 5 star 3. 5 minus 2 is 3 belongs to integer. Therefore, star is a binary operation on Z. Let us verify commutative property. For all two elements A comma B belongs to Z, A star B is equal to A minus B. B star A is equal to B minus A. So clearly, A minus B and B minus A are not equal. 2 minus 3 minus 1, 3 minus 2 plus 1. Minus 1 and plus 1 are not equal, you know. That's why A star B not equal to B star A. Therefore, star is not commutative. Not commutative. Also, for all three element A, B, C belongs to Z, consider A star B star C. That is equal to A star. B star C means what? B minus C as per the definition. Let me denote B star C as some X, capital X. So this becomes A star X, where B minus C is equal to X we have denoted. This is just like A star B. A star B means A minus B, no? A star X means A minus X. Re-substitute X as B minus C. Remove the bracket. A minus B minus of minus plus C. That is the value of A star B star C. Name it as equation 1. And A star B star C is equal to A minus B star C. Because A star B equals A minus B, no? Let me denote this as some Y, capital Y. Y star C, where A minus B is equal to Y. Now this is of the form A star B. A star B means what? A minus B. Y star C means what? Y minus C. Resubstitute Y as A minus B. A minus B minus C as it is. Call it as equation 2. From 1 and 2, A star B star C not equal to A star B star C. Therefore, star is not associative. Not associative. Number B. On Q set of rationals, define star by A star B is equal to AB plus 1. Solution. Let us verify binary operation. for all a comma b belongs to q, a star b is equal to ab plus 1. Two rationals, multiplication of two rationals is again a rational number. If you add 1 to that, one more new rational number, so belongs to q. Therefore, star is a binary operation on q set of rationals. Let us verify commutative law. For all two elements a and b belongs to q, a star b is equal to ab plus 1. b star a is equal to ba plus 1. Clearly, AB and BA are one and the same, so that A star B is equal to B star A. Therefore, star is commutative. Commutative law holds good. Associative law. For all three element ABC belongs to the set Q, consider A star B star C. Observe B star C. How B star C is defined? B star C means BC plus 1, right? A star BC plus 1. Let me denote BC plus 1 as some x, A star x. This is just like A star B. That means AB plus 1, AX plus 1. Replace x as BC plus 1, plus 1 as it is. Now multiply. A into BC means ABC. A into 1 is A plus 1. Therefore, A star B star C is equal to ABC plus A plus 1. Say some equation 1. And A star B star C. A star B can be written as AB plus 1 star C. Let me denote AB plus 1 as some y. Y equals AB plus 1. This is just like A star B. Y star C means YC plus 1. Resubstitute Y as AB plus 1 into C plus 1. ABC. AB into C means ABC. 1 into C is C plus 1. So, A star B star C is equal to ABC plus C plus 1. Call it as equation 2. From 1 and 2, so that is ABC plus A plus 1, whereas this is ABC plus A plus 1. Those two are not equal. So, A star B star C not equal to A star B star C. Therefore, star is not associative. Not associative. Number C. On Q set of rationals, define star by A star B is equal to AB divided by 2. AB divided by 2. So here annual 14 in 2 mark they asked only associative law actually. Associative or not anta matra kelidare. Let us see. Solution. For all A comma B belongs to Q, A star B is equal to AB divided by 2. Belongs to Q clearly. So therefore, star is a binary operation on Q. Let us verify commutative law. For all two element A and B belongs to Q, then A star B is equal to AB divided by 2. B star A is equal to BA divided by 2. Correct, So, from these two, AB and BA are one and the same. So, from these two, A star B is equal to B star A. Therefore, star is commutative. Star is commutative. Associative law. Only associative law is asked actually in the year 2014 under 2 mark section. For all 3 element A, B, C belongs to the set Q, set of rational numbers, then A star B star C is equal to A star. In place of B star C, BC divided by 2. Let me denote BC divided by 2 as some x. So that A star x. A star B it is of the form. So A into x divided by 2. But what is x actually? What is x actually? BC divided by 2. So A by 2 into BC by 2 means ABC divided by 4. Say some equation 1. That is A star B star C value. And A star B star C. Observe A star B. A star B can be written as AB divided by 2 star C. Let me denote AB by 2 as some Y. Y equals AB by 2. Y star C means Y into C divided by 2. But what is Y actually? Y can be written as AB by 2 into C by 2. Nothing but ABC divided by 4. Say some 2. Observe 1 and 2. So both are one and the same, ABC by 4. Therefore, A star B star C is equal to A star B star C. Hence, star is associative. Star is associative. D. On Z plus positive integers, define star by A star B is equal to A star B equals 2 to the power of AB they have defined. Solution. For all A comma B belongs to positive integer Z plus, A star B equals 2 to the power of AB. For example, 2 star 3 let me take. 2 star 3. 2 to the power of 2 into 3. 2 into 3 is 6. 2 to the power of 6. 2 power 5 is 32. 32 into 2 means 64. 2 to the power of 6 is 64, which is a positive integer. So that A star B equals 2 to the power of AB also belongs to Z plus. Hence, star is a binary operation on Z plus. Let us verify commutative law. For all two element A and B belongs to Z plus, A star B is nothing but 2 to the power of AB. B star A is 2 to the power of B into A. 2 into 3, 3 into 2, one and the same. That's why A star B is equal to B star A. From these two, this implies A star B equals B star A. Therefore, star is commutative. Commutative law holds good. Let us verify associative law. For all three element ABC belongs to Z plus, consider A star B star C is equal to A star in place of B star C 2 to the power of BC. 2 to the power of BC. So, let me denote 2 to the power of BC as some x. A star x. What is A star B? 2 to the power of AB. A star x means 2 to the power of AX. Correct now? In place of x, I just resubstitute 2 to the power of BC. 2 to the power of A times 2 to the power of BC. Say some equation 1. And A star B star C. A star B can be written as 2 to the power of AB star C. Let me denote 2 power AB as some y, where y equals 2 power AB. Y star C. Y star C means 2 to the power of y into C. Correct enough? So, 2 to the power of C into y is 2 power AB. C times 2 power AB, whereas that is A times 2 to the power of BC. From 1 and 2, A star B star C not equal to A star B star C. Therefore, star is not associative. Not associative. E. On Z plus, define star by A star B equals A raised to power B. A to the power of B. For all A comma B belongs to Z plus, A star B equals A to the power of B. A and B are positive integers. Let us take 2 and 3. 2 star 3 means 2 to the power of 3, which is 8, belongs to Z plus only. Therefore, star is a binary operation on Z plus. Let us verify commutative law. For all two elements A and B belongs to Z plus, then A star B is equal to A power B. B star A equals B to the power of A. 2 power 3. 2 star 3 means 2 power 3. 3 star 2 means 3 power 2. 2 power 3 is 8. 3 power 2 is 9. These two are not equal. Clearly, A star B not equal to B star A. Therefore, star is not commutative. Not commutative. Let us verify associative law. For all A, B, C belongs to Z plus, then A star B star C is equal to B star C can be written as B to the power of C. Let us denote B power C as some x. X equals B power C. A star x becomes A to the power of x. See, observe x. X is nothing but A to the power of B power C. Call it as equation 1. A star B star C equals A power B power C. Say some 1. And A star B star C is equal to A star B can be written as A power B. A power B star C. Let us denote A power B as some y. A power B as some y. Okay. Y star C means y to the power of C. What is y actually? Y is nothing but A power B whole power C. A to the power of BC. Say some equation 2. From 1 and 2, these two are not equal. A star B star C not equal to A star B star C. Why? Because A power M whole power N means A power M into N. But A power M whole power N is not equal to A power M power N. These two are not equal. Okay. For example, 2 power 3 whole square is not equal to 2 power 3 square. See this? 2 power 3 is 8. 8 square is 64, This is 2 to the power of 3 square is 9. 2 to the power of 9. 2 power 10 means 1024. Divide by 2. It is 512. So 64 not equal to 512. So that A power M whole power N is not equal to A power M power N. These two are not equal. So star is not associative. Star is not associative. This is a very good question. F. So in CET 2017, it is appeared actually. So associative, commutative, verify ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. On the set of real numbers except minus 1, define star by A star B equals A divided by B plus 1. It's a beautiful problem. Actually, none of the option is correct. This was the question appeared. For all A comma B belongs to the set of real numbers except minus 1. All the real numbers excluding minus 1. Minus 1 is not there in the set. A star B is equal to A divided by B plus 1 does not belongs to the set of real numbers. Usually here we commit the mistake. Please note that. For example, 2 and minus 3 are the set of real numbers except minus 1. Then 2 star minus 3 means 2 divided by minus 3 plus 1. Minus 3 plus 1 means minus 2. 2 divided by minus 2 is what? Minus 1. 2 star minus 3 minus 1 we are getting. But minus 1 does not belongs to the set at all. So minus 1 does not belongs to the set of real numbers except minus 1. Therefore, star is not a binary operation. Since star is not a binary operation, it can't be commutative or associative. They have given the option like that, but none of the option is correct in fact. Commutative law. For all A comma B belongs to the set of real numbers except minus 1, then A star B is equal to A divided by B plus 1. B star A is equal to B divided by A plus 1. This implies Clearly, these two are not equal, you know. Therefore, A star B not equal to B star A. That's why star is not commutative. Let us verify associative law. For all A, B, C belongs to the set of real numbers except minus 1, then A star B star C is equal to A star. Look at B star C, B divided by C plus 1. Let me denote B by C plus 1 as some x. Just like A star B, A star x, you know, A divided by x plus 1. In place of x plus 1, I just replace B divided by C plus 1 plus 1 as it is. Here, nothing means 1 we have. Take the LCM, C plus 1 as the LCM, B plus C plus 1. This goes to numerator. A into C plus 1 divided by B plus C plus 1. Say some equation 1. A star B star C is this. And A star B star C is equal to A divided by B plus 1. A star B is A divided by B plus 1 star C. It is nothing but Y, you know. Y divided Y star C. I have denoted this as Y. Y star C means what? Y divided by C plus 1. Replace Y, resubstitute Y as A divided by B plus 1 divided by C plus 1. So here nothing means 1, you know, gets reciprocal. A divided by B plus 1 into C plus 1. Say some equation 2. From 1 and 2, A star B star C not equal to A star B star C. Therefore, star is not associative. So, for the defined operation A star B equals A divided by B plus 1, it is not a binary operation. Hence, it cannot be associative or commutative. Okay, it's a good question.